So your challenge for today, you're going to be making a Scottish Dirk. This Dirk measures 14 inches. Your blades will need to be between 12 inches and 15 inches in length. Your Dirk must have a false back, 25% of the spine from the tip. Your blade must be fullered on both sides. There's no length parameter. It's got to just be more than half of the blade length. You must have a guard and a butt plate, and it's going to be a through handle design. We are going to be doing a sand mine construction for the Dirk.